Hi, my name is Prime Hall, and I've been working with Mike Lemaire now for the last couple years, and I've achieved some amazing results working with Mike and using his services. I have the highest opinions of Mike and what he does. He obviously has the background for being a professional athlete and a world champion, but he's taken that to the next level over his career and really found the things that really work for maintaining fitness, nutrition, and recovery. Those are the key things. And the biggest thing I got out of working with Mike is accountability for my goals and making sure that I'm on track and hitting my goals. And that was his superpower for me, was helping keep me accountable. And I'm still working with Mike, so I don't plan on stopping. I'll be working with Mike for a long time. I personally did not have any doubts starting the program with Mike, because if you look at Mike, he's one of the fittest people that you'll ever find. So it's kind of a no-brainer that he knows what he's talking about. So just was excited to get to work, and it's been a real learning process working with him the last couple of years, and still getting better every day. I would recommend Mike's service to anybody looking to improve on their fitness and meet their health goals and really go after some type of stretch themselves beyond what they're already doing to really hit a goal that would mean a lot to them. And I recommend Mike Lemaire and his services to really everybody that I know, especially those looking to unlock goals and achieve big things with their health and fitness. So yeah, Mike's the best. Can't say enough about him.